Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are going to be doing donuts today, and I have this beast here. Oh my God! Oh, God! That's just weird. Look at this. Nissan Sylvia, what's that? 200 SX, eh? 240 SX. S14. Look at this beauty. Yo. Do that Fast and Furious thing, you know? Some moat kick, whatever, and what? 100 horsepower, nice. Oh, she put the Fast and Furious music on. Nah, copyright. So what's it, the RB26 ET? RB25? Yeah. Single turbo. Look at this. That's crazy. 56, 57, eh? Yeah?
Pretty much a standard motor. It's just got the bigger turbo and the engine.
Got the dump valve.
That was the turbo timer you just witnessed. So I let the car cool down a bit, and then it switches off on its own.
Jeez, that's nice. So what power is it pushing this one?
To be honest with you, I'm not sure, because it's just on low boost at the moment, and we never got the low boost figures. So
very nicely done, eh? Sprayed the thing.
Thanks. Yeah, I've actually got my mechanic here as well who built it.
Oh, white mechanic. Listen, I need an oil catch can in my car. Are you able to help me?
No. I only work on Jap cars.
You see, boom. European with Jap cars and the Asians drive. Oh, there's the carbon.
Yeah, so we actually handmade that as well to suit my car's needs.
Oh wow. See the handbrake button.
Yeah, that's the drift button. Turbo timer and the boost controller. That lights at the bottom there. That's my knocking, so I can see the car detonate.
Okay.
And that red toggle switch.
The NOS.
It's actually not the NOS button. It's the kill switch, because the car actually doesn't drive much. It just pretty much parks.
And these car seats?
Those
standard.
are genuine Recaro Evo 9 seats.
Oh wow.
Came out of the Evo 9. A lot of people want them.
Yeah. Jeez, that's nice. This is very well built car, eh? You must take your back seats out.
No, this is aircon is still working.
Put a roll cage in.
No,
eh?
This car, it's a powerful car. Aircon is still working. Power steering, electrical mirrors are still working.
Is it?
Everything is still working.
Jeez.
So I can play with it, go home,
yeah,
go to work if I want.
Correct. I know what you're saying. Yeah.
So,
like a perfect balanced built car.
Yeah. So you can do whatever you want. We played around here. Now I can climb in the
Oh my son! Okay. Dude, check out the tire marks, man. Make an even bigger problem. Yes. Yeah. Yo.
off the brake,
Yeah.
and you play with the steering, but you can't stop with the accelerator. You must start feathering the accelerator, but you are taking your foot completely off the accelerator. You're taking all the power away. As soon as you take the power away, obviously the tires are going to grip.
Yeah. That's what's
Kenji,
happening.
don't do that. I'm over here where it's safer.
How's the tires looking? It's alright. The truth?
Not too good.
Really?
Yeah, these tires on the black. These are not the last one.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah. Very soft.
Alright, well, time for new tires soon.
Kenji, let me show you how it's done.
Jeez, that's loud. Yes, that's loud. Okay guys, so my tires are basically dead. Well,
Sorry.
it's expensive.
Yeah, Kenji, it was fun.
Let's end the video with some donuts. See? Oh wait, which donuts?
Oh no.
I think it's all alright.
That's cheap on that.
Yes, it's not. Oh no, it's.
Where's the jam?
Should have told me earlier. Yum. Ah, Jackie, you're not here. You're supposed to bring the coffee.
Nice. Yeah, it's good.
Fresh.
Good end to a day.
Yeah.
Nice for donuts.
Guys, I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. See you guys later.